Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can copy a game on Roblox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, all you have to do is simply go ahead, access the Roblox app, and then get logged in and make sure that your app is also updated if you want a new games. Then you're going to scroll down, find a game that you would like to simply go ahead and copy, and then you're going to go ahead, tap on the game. You're going to go ahead, scroll, and then you're going to go ahead, swipe to your left from this options, tap on share, and you're going to tap on copy. Now the game has been copied, and you're going to go ahead, go to your messaging platform, and you're gonna go ahead, paste that particular game right over there. You can see it will be pasted. You're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this send icon, and you can send it. And that's what you can do. You can do it. You can go ahead, send it to anybody in any social media platforms or any messaging platforms. All you have to do is go to Roblox, choose a game, tap on share, and then tap on copy, and the game will be copied. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.